Hi everyone. Uh, I'm trying to analyze the movement of the Nifty in the short term using the Bollinger Band as my choice tool and seeing whether Nifty can lead us in the coming week of trading that we could see. We have seen a fantastic rally of 2,000 points right from this point of 15,800 to 17,300. That's 1,500 points. Actually, if you go down from 15,194 to 17,200, that's a 2,000 point rally starting from 17th of June to currently, which is the end of July. That's a 45-day period in which we've seen a fantastic 2,000 point uptick on the Nifty with a few reversals to the 20 SMA, 20 SMA on this 240-minute chart. Now, what I see from previous price action that Nifty has always faced resistance once it has reached the second standard deviation point, which is the upper band of the Bollinger series. And whenever we reach or breach the upper band, there we see a small reversal back to mean, which is the 20 SMA. We have seen similar price action in the last two trading sessions, and we seem to be kissing the upper Bollinger Band, which could then give us a small reversal back to the median, which is the 20 SMA on this Bollinger Band, which could result in a 500 to 700 point reversal from the current levels of 17,200, which could take us down back to 16,600 to 16,500 levels. And we could see that in the coming week or the next week. I'm seeing this also coinciding with the supply zone, which is forming around this area. And this is the supply zone that I'm looking at. This is an untested area where we have seen previous resistance and buyer sellers, and we could see the price move up into this area of 12,250 to 300 and then face a downward pressure, and which could then lead us to somewhere close to this 200 SMA, from where we could see a reversal or some resistance to the downward side. This is my analysis for the coming week. Uh, Remember, we should trade only once we see confirmation signals on price. Once it reaches the supply zone or just under it and gives us some kind of closing below the upper band, where we should then initiate a short, which could have a target of 500 to 600 points down into a region of support, where we could then again have some kind of price movement which could take us back into the rally that we're seeing. This rally seems pretty strong, and the price fundamentals in the Indian market seem to be in favor of the continuation of the uptrend. But given the sharp rise that we have seen in the current phase from 16,400 to 17,200, which is an 800 point, we could see a small pullback to try and reach back its mean values. Mean reversion could take us back to some kind of pullback, and that can be used as a short entry with a small downside, and can be traded for by the short-term traders. So, what do you feel about the analysis? Please opine on how you think this analysis can go, and trade only once you see price action and in consensus with your financial advisor. I'm not a registered financial advisor, and this is just a release as an educational video using simple Bollinger Bands and price action to give us some idea on where the prices can head in the next week. Look forward to more of such analysis. Do opine on this analysis and present your views. Um, that would encourage me to present such views again, and you know describe the price action that can happen